Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how definitely we can connect this to a smart TV. So, for instance, you want to connect this computer to a smart TV, but when you connect it, you realize you're not seeing the screen right here on the smart TV. All right, what you can do definitely, right? You notice on your keyboard, the Win plus P, you're going to press, right? So let me show you exactly how it look like. If you notice, this itself is a keyboard right up here. So this itself is a Windows key. We call it the Win, and this is P. Alright, so you notice there's a shutdown called Win plus P. So when you press both of them together, it will bring up the screen so you see whether if it duplicate or what. Right? So I'm gonna do the demonstration right there, show you. Alright, so it will show up on this particular side here. So I'm gonna press the Win plus P. You notice when I click it, notice it show up over here. So if you click this right here, you notice it says screen only, right? The PC screen only. Right, so sometimes maybe on this, but when you click duplicate, you notice both your computer screen and the next screen extended, you notice. And right here, you can see second screen only. So these are something you have to pay close attention to right here. So remember, what you do, you press the Win key plus the P in order to get it. Right, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.